Welcome friends to my new video. In this video, I am going to discuss about how we can download planetary angles or planetary position data from ephemeris to Excel. Previously, I discussed this topic in Hindi language. Right now, I'm doing this for my student who does not understand Hindi. Now, from this website, truenot.org, we will download the data. Okay. Now, how to get the data first? First, you need to put the name of the planets like Sun. Here I already written Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Okay. You may write down Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Now, here you don't get the data for North Node and South Node. Okay. You don't get the data for no for North Node, South Node for declination angle, but you can have the angular position for North Node, South Node for geocentric angle, geocentric position. Now, how to get the data? First, you need to write down the date. Here you have to select. Suppose I want to download the data from 1st January 2026. I have to select 2026. Then you need to put the time. Suppose you want to download data with respect to New York, and 12 noon is your preferable time. From here, you need to select the zone. For New York, you need to select -4, and for Chicago, you need to select zone -5. Okay. You need to select interval between lines. Means for each data, what will be the time difference? You can download data of daily basis, hourly basis, minute basis, months basis, and yearly basis. Okay, I want daily data. Okay, so 1 day difference there will be in my data. Now, for how many days? Suppose you want to download data for 1 year. 1 year means 365 days, 365 or 366 days for leap year. Now you want to download data, suppose for 3 year. So you have to multiply by 3. 1095. Okay, so I'm just going to write down 1100. Okay, so 1100 days for I want to download data because my data are daily basis. Okay, now in the left side here you don't need to do anything, you don't need to change anything. Okay, here you don't need to change anything, remember. In the right side you need to select some, like if you want to work with Vedic astrology, then you need to select sidereal. If you want to work with Western astrology, then you need to select tropical. In separate video, I will discuss what are the difference between tropical and sidereal. Okay. So here I'm selecting sidereal because I'm using Vedic astrology. From below, you need to select decimal degree. Okay. These two you have to change. Now, suppose you want to get the geocentric angle. Then from here, you need to select show zodiacal longitude and you need to click. It will take some time. The more data you want to download, it will take more time to get the data. Yeah. Now we will get the data. Okay. So how to get this data into Excel file? From here, left click, anywhere here, left click and drag. Okay, up to this. Then right click and copy. I'm going to save this data in a notepad file. Okay, just copy paste and then save this file. I'm here, just some random file. Okay, open Excel, a new sheet. Go for data. Okay, you can see. You need to select the data tab, then go for text from text or CSV. Okay, this one. Oh. You need to select the data, import, click on import. Now from here, you need to select, it will be custom. You need to select space and then again custom. Next, from this bottom, here you will get a drop down menu here. Okay. So you need to click on that drop down menu and from here you need to select load to. If the table is selected, then it's okay and click on OK. You will get the data. Now from this data, you need to select all the data you have. Right click. Oh, I have mistaken. You need to select all the data. Right click, copy, and paste it in another window, another worksheet. And remember, always paste only the value. Okay, don't go for this one. Only select the value. Okay, I don't need any kind of formula. Okay, now this data is from 1st January 2026, and the last date is 4th January 2029. I don't want this for date format. Okay, so I just write down the date 1st January 2026, 2nd January 2026. Only two dates are enough. Then select both, and from this dot, you need to just select, click here and drag. Excel will automatically take all the dates. It will write down up to 4th January 2029. Now, you need the planet name. Okay. Again, in our Excel file, select all the planetary name, copy, and paste here. Now, it does not look good. Just select all the column and just click and drag little bit. Yeah, it look good. And little bit more. Yeah. Now, you may increase the size, cross it, close it, and now if you want you can delete this worksheet. You don't need it anymore. I'm just deleting it, and you get the geocentric angular data. Okay, now always remember, wherever you get this RX sign, this RX means this is in retrograde motion. Okay, now this is for geocentric angular data. You may need heliocentric angular data, or you may need declination angle data. For declination angle data, select this one, show declination. And in it, I'm just decrease the time 365, and you need to click on get ephemeris. For declination angle, you need to select geocentric. Remember, you don't need to change here. Get ephemeris. And you will get 1 year declination angle data. Okay. And here from 1st January 2026 to 31st December 2026. Okay. And the download this data, the procedure is same, okay, like previous. Now you want heliocentric angle or heliocentric angular position for planets. Then you need to select heliocentric here and click off it, and okay, and you need to click here show zodiacal longitude. And remember, you cannot download two different type of data. Always select only one. Okay, and you can click here. In helios, what happened? Oh, I forget. In heliocentric angular position, you don't get angular position for sun. Instead of sun, you will get angular position for earth. Okay, I will discuss that later. I'm just deleting these two, sun and moon, now. Yeah, I get the data. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. And here you don't see any RX sign because in heliocentric angular position, a planet don't get retrograde motion. Okay. In heliocentric observation, there are no retrograde motion. Now, if you, even you will get planetary speed from here if you want. Planetary speed is needed for SBC, Sarvata Chakra. And also, if you want North Node and South Node data, okay, from here you need to select North Node and South Node. Keep this as geocentric, and whatever planet you have, don't any planet. Suppose you type Moon, okay, it does not matter, and click on Get Ephemeris. And you will have north node and south node planetary position, planetary angles here. Okay, north node, south node mean Rahu Ketu in Indian languages. They are shadow planets, and they are always exactly opposite to each other, means 180-degree apart to each other. Okay, so in this way you can download heliocentric, geocentric, or declination angular position for any planet. uh, and in future I will discuss little bit more about the difference between geocentric, heliocentric, or declination angle. Stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching. If you want to learn about Vedic astrology and WD Gann calculation, then you can contact me. I teach Vedic astrology and WD Gann calculation, different square of, especially square of 9. And my course take little bit longer time, like 3 to 5 months. Okay. Uh, So stay tuned for future. Thank you for watching.